automobile industry has been ruled by the Germans since its inception. Namely, BMW and Mercedes have been battling it out to become the best in the industry. The ultimate driving machine is what BMW calls itself. Founded in 1916, the Bavarian Motor Works, or BMW, initially did not make cars. In fact, they made aircraft engines during the two world wars. But now, BMW is the most well-known car manufacturers in the world. The best or nothing is what Mercedes calls itself. From poverty comes a story of success. Founded by Mr. Carl Benz in the 1800s in Germany, Benz focused on making the first two-stroke petrol engine and was granted a patent in 1879. This led to the first motor wagon in the story of Mercedes. Currently, Mercedes is leading the social media race with 34 million followers on Instagram compared to BMW with 31.7 million followers, and on YouTube the story remains the same. In order to capture the market, these brands spend tremendous amounts of money on advertising. BMW in the year 2019 spent about 300 million on advertisements in the US, whereas Daimler AG, owner of Mercedes, spent a whopping 640 million on advertising in the same year. Since the pandemic forced these brands to close down their showrooms, they had to quickly adapt to the digital era and bring about a much needed change. Mercedes and BMW both started their online store for car ordering, delivering, and providing other services. This led the customers to experience a whole new platform through which they order their new cars that would be delivered to their doorsteps. BMW uploaded a video on their YouTube channel where they mocked Mercedes by giving out a new BMW i8 Roadster to a retiring CEO of Mercedes that time. Whereas Mercedes responded by an ad featuring a view trapped behind the grille of BMW as if to imply a jail cell. Both companies are battling on futuristic car designs and concept, and continuously releasing teasers of their latest concept cars on their respective YouTube channels. Both these brands have been actively promoting their cars via funny and yet mocking each other on billboards. BMW is known for their artistic and creative approach globally, and that's why almost in every ad campaign, we see a feature that imposes something different and artsy which connects with the high-end technology and an unusual concept of artistic elements. BMW has been very dynamic in acquiring and implementing latest technologies, and also they've shown interest to follow content marketing as a flagship marketing strategy so that they engage existing and potential customers. They even claimed that after their recent relaunch of their official website, they saw an increase in mobile visitors by 27%. Mercedes-Benz has been targeting the younger demographics. Catering to this, they very recently partnered with the singer The Weeknd to promote their first electric SUV. Mercedes-Benz goes big in promoting big features. They presented their feature Remote Parking Pilot, which means car parks itself automatically with the help of Mercedes ME Access. One of the most traditional and best known marketing tips for brands is to use celebrities as their brand ambassador. BMW released its digital first campaign and enlisted Gigi Hadid. Another campaign saw Sachin Tendulkar starring in the BMW 1 Series commercial. Whereas Mercedes-Benz has been targeting the younger demographic. Their brand ambassadors have been mainly from three main focuses, that is golf, tennis, and some supermodels from New York Fashion Week. To live up to their slogan, the best or nothing, they partnered with the likes of Roger Federer, Simona Halep, Sloane Stephens, Helena Christensen, Eva Paderberg. Mercedes is also a huge name in the F1 racing, Their team has dominated the track with championship behind drivers such as Lewis Hamilton, who's been affiliated with Mercedes-Benz since he was 13 years old and is current driver for the F1 team over the past 8 years, and 7-time Formula One world champion. Whereas BMW, combined with the global financial recession and the company's frustration about the limitation of the contemporary technical regulation in developing technology relevant to road cars, BMW chose to withdraw from the sport, selling the team back to its founder, Peter Sauber. BMW has a deep knowledge of their target market and how to reach them. Heading into 2020, BMW designed a car inside Snapchat AR lens that almost looks like it's real and drivable. This was the first time any automotive brand created a 3D augmented reality. Mercedes-Benz also reflects sensitivity on gender issues. To celebrate the Pride Month, Mercedes revealed a transphobia mural on Toronto Pride. The video encompasses a couple of people who have issues with their gender and are making confessions. Mercedes and BMW have been rivals for more than 100 years. What makes these two competitors all the more impressive is their respectful approach to their competitive marketing. They acknowledge the fact that neither of them would be where they are without each other.